To thread your sewing machine, there are a few things you need to have ready first. 1. Lift up your spool pin. 2. Make sure your take-up lever is all the way at the top. And 3. Make sure that your presser foot is lifted. Take your spool thread, take the center circle, put it on your spool pin, bring your thread off to the left. Then you will take your thread, come down underneath the thread guide, and come straight forward like the arrow. Come straight down, bank a U-turn, come straight up, and follow this arrow. Around this way, and down. From this point, you're going to take your thread behind this hook, and then right here, above the needle, there's another metal hook. This one goes the opposite way, and your thread will be right in front of the needle. From front to back, go through the hole, grab the thread, and pull it off to the side.
Once you're done threading, you should double check. So remember, we start by putting the spool thread on our spool pin up at the top. We come around the thread guide, down on the right side, and then up again on the left of the beak. We wrap around our take-up lever and come back down to go through the thread guides and through the needle. To make sure you've got this right, look at the thread. We start by going down, and then up, and then down again. This looks like a capital letter N. If it doesn't look like a capital letter N, your machine will not sew correctly. A key to make sure you actually have a capital letter N is to look at your take-up lever. Make sure the thread actually caught the take-up letter. If you miss the take-up letter, your line of thread just goes straight down and it's not going to work.
To insert, you need to make sure the thread looks like it's 6. Then you take your bobbin and insert it in the bobbin case. The thread will go through this crack, and then you'll follow that plate up until it pops into the center of that hole. If it's incorrectly, it will hold its own weight. To make sure the bobbin's in correctly, pull the thread and it should turn clockwise. To put the bobbin case in, you have to open the front door. Look at the bobbin case from this side, not the bobbin side. With the lever straight up, head into the machine and press until it clicks. Last step is to get the bottom thread to the top. Hold the top thread and spin your hand wheel till the needle goes down and then comes back up. You'll see a loop of thread. Grab that and pull it all the way up. That is your bobbin thread. Take both your threads, slide it through the crack in the presser foot and off to the side, and you are ready to sew.